Welcome back to my channel, West Coast Finest, bringing you valuable and quality content with every single video.
Want to make sure that your hair can breathe. Peace and blessings, fam. Today, yes, today, I am going to bring you a beautiful, exceptional style. One of my favorite hairstyles for achieving beautiful, gorgeous looks without hair damage is crochet braids. And as you can see here, today my client does have some significant alopecia and some significant hair loss. Yes, but no worries, ladies. My client today has come about 5 hours. She drove 5.5 hours to get to me to get her hair done today, and she will not be let down. I am going to give her and service her with the most beautiful style that I have ever done. Yes, I am going to create a beautiful breathe underneath. You do not, I repeat, you do not want to use a stocking cap because a stocking cap will not let your hair breathe. And here they are, ladies. Yes, the waterfall locks. Look how beautiful these locks are. They are gorgeous. They are 12-inch. We have a color 1B. The name brand is called Mayday. Yes, Mayday is the name brand for these new, yes, waterfall locks. You have not seen these locks anywhere. You are seeing them here for the first time. Oh my gosh, and look at my custom closure. Again, I want to put as less weight, tension, and stress on her front, and I want it to look as natural as possible. So what I am using my custom closure, if you have not seen it, this is my custom frontal. I have custom frontals and 30 that I threw in there just to give this style a pop. And oh my gosh, look at this. Look how natural it looks. This looks like her own natural hair on the sides, on her edges. As you remember, she had no edges, no sides. Now look, she can wear this in many styles. She can wear a left side part, a right side part, a middle part. This looks absolutely gorgeous. I am so stunned of how beautiful this crochet style came out. So if you have not tried it, try it. Refer back to this video, share with your family, share with your friends, share with your stylist so that you too can rock some beautiful waterfall crochet locks just like this. I'm going to be bringing you another style very shortly on this same video. But again, look how beautiful this style came out. So again, in conclusion, this style came out absolutely gorgeous, and we are into my second style. So yes, this is the second style that I'm doing and I'm sharing with you today. This style, I'm going to be using my custom made frontal. Yes, my custom frontals are handmade by myself. They come in frontals. I do have them in closures as well. I use these with my crochet braids as well as with my sew-in weaves, and they are excellent. Yes, excellent for anyone who has hair loss, alopecia, thin hair, short hair, damaged hair, and even those who have healthy hair and just want to give their hair a break. My custom closures and frontals are excellent. They are super easy to use. You do not, I repeat, ladies, you do not have to wear any glue or use any glue with my custom. And continue to keep watching so that you can see how this beautiful style is accomplished. I did use, she got this hair off of Amazon, and it came 8 packs in what they call a lot. So sometimes a lot may have 6 packs, 8 packs. And she got the one that had 8 packs, which is good because I think 8 packs is the kind of maximum amount that you would want to use to make the hair look full, but also so that it looks natural, because that's what we want, ladies. We want to wear styles that make our hair look as natural as possible. And oh my gosh, look at this completed style. She is going to be able to wear this up, wear it down, we'll do a updo, and look at that front. It looks so natural. No one will ever look at the back. She's going to be able to pull that up in the back. Peace and blessings, fam. Today, my challenge is to create a beautiful style for my client. As you can see, she does have some hair loss around her edges. She has some thinning at the top and around her sides. But no more worries, ladies, because I am here to help. Yes. First, as with all my clients when they come in, I always make sure that I moisturize their hair really well. So as you can see, I am moisturizing her hair with my G&G hair growth butter. Yes, my G&G hair growth butter is made with 100% all natural ingredients to do what? Promote hair growth. Look at this head and scalp massage that I am giving her. Look how that hair butter is just moisturizing her hair and her scalp. Scalp massage, and then I finish it off with what you see me using here, which is our G&G hair growth oil. Yes, G&G stands for grandmother and granddaughter because we produce this oil and this hair growth butter together. And here it goes, the lace part cap. Yes, this is an anti-slip lace part cap. As you can see, it has silicone that goes around the complete perimeter of the cap. Yes, it goes all the way around, and it also has a pre-lace part. Yes, this is a lace part cap, and it's 4 crochets. You can purchase it on my website. So if you want to tap the link in the description below, go to my website and get your order in today. This anti-slip cap keeps your hair from slipping, sliding, shifting, or anything through the process or during the duration.
Would you cry or would you try to get me? Tell me now, I want you to be glad. Tell me now, I need you to be glad. I will wait for you, for you. I will wait for you. I will wait for you. Yeah, baby.
Introducing our new hair growth oil. Yes, G&G has done it again. This is our 100% all natural hair growth oil. Yes, it is packed with organic hair growth ingredients to do what? Promote hair growth. Yes, our prices are very affordable, only $15. So yes, tap the link below to order on our website. Yes, get your order in today. G&G hair growth oil. Yes, y'all, I am back again. It's what? Me, your girl T, and I'm dropping another video. So yes, y'all, let's get into it.